Today we will study the concept of complementary angles, supplementary angles, and we will also do some questions in solving the complementary angle and supplementary angle. Complementary angles. Two angles are called complementary if they add up to 90 degree or their sum is 90 degree. Now for example, in this diagram you can see there are two angles. One angle is 40 and the other angle is 50 degrees. Now if we add both the angles we get 90 degrees. This means that this 40 degree and 50 degree angles, both the angles are complementary angles because when we add them we get 90 degrees. Now similarly in this figure also you can see there are two angles. One angle is of 18 degrees. The other is of 72 degrees. When we add them, we get 90 degrees. So, the angle 72 degree and the angle 18 degree, both the angles are called complementary angles. Hope you have understood this concept. Supplementary angles. Angles are called supplementary when they add up to 180 degree or their sum is 180 degrees. Now here in this figure you can see one angle is of 60 degree and the other angle is of 120 degree. When we add both the angles they give us 180 degrees. So the angle 120 and angle 60, both the angles are called supplementary angles. In this figure also you can see one angle is 144 degree. The other angle is 36 degrees. When we add both the angles, we get 180 degrees. So, both these angles are also supplementary angles because when we add them, we get the answer which is equals to 180 degree. Let's do a question for better understanding of the concept. Find the complementary angle of each. Now, the one angle is given, that is 18 degrees. Now as we know that complementary angles sum is equals to 90 degrees. One angle is given to us, that is 18 degree, and we have to find the other angle. As we know that when we add both the angles the answer should be equal to 90 degrees. So we substitute the values and what we will do, we will subtract 18 degrees from 90 degrees, we get 72 degrees, the value of the other angle. In this way we have solved this question that if one complementary angle is given to us, we can calculate the other complementary angle. How? By subtracting it from 90 degrees. Hope you have understood this question. Find the supplementary angle. One supplementary angle is given in the question, that is 170 degrees. And as we know that for supplementary angles their sum should be equal to 180 degrees. So if one angle is 170 degrees, what should be the other angle? Now one angle plus the other angle, it means their sum when we add them, this should be equal to 180 degrees. Now we substitute the value. One angle that is given to us, it is 170 degree plus other angle is equals to 180 degree. How we will find other angle is equals to 180 degrees minus 170 degrees, we get 10 degrees. So one supplementary angle is 170 degree. The other supplementary angle is 10 degree because when we add both the angles, we get the sum, that is 180 degree. Hope you have understood the concept of complementary angles, supplementary angles and the questions related to the topic. Do practice for the better learning. Thank you.